What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, before we get into today's video, I do want to announce that I am doing a giveaway. All you guys got to do is just like every video, subscribe to the channel, and watch every video throughout the end, and you guys can get a chance to win one of your own iCar Pro. This is the OBD scanner that I use for Beamer code. Now, you guys don't have to have a BMW to use this. You guys can use it on a friends, your parents, or even you guys can make money off of this by putting an ad up on Craigslist and telling people that you could code their car by watching my videos. So with that being said, let's get into today's video. So now in today's video, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. It is BMW related, but we're not gonna be in the BMW. For those of you who do not know, I am selling my BMW. So this video is gonna be about a part out. What a part out is all the performance parts that I put in my car. I have taken them out and I am gonna sell. So with that being said, let's get into it. All right, so as you guys can see, these are all the parts that I had on my BMW. There's two things in here that I did not put on, three things actually, were the suspension, the fender, this is the M5 fender, and also those mirror caps because they didn't fit my car. But let's get into it on what I'm parting out. All right, so starting off, this was my K&N intake, cold air intake. I think I had this on the car for maybe 8,000 miles or something like that. Probably even way less. You guys can check out the video on how I installed it and then you guys can do the math from there. But it is a little dirty right now. This is supposed to be red, but as you can see, there's filth all over it. You turn it over, same thing. You can kind of see like a red streak, but not really. But before I do sell this, just note that I am going to clean it up. I do have this recharge intake cleaner that I'm going to show you guys how if you guys already have this on your car, I'm going to show you guys how you can clean it. I'm going to clean this up for the next owner, for whoever buys this. I'm not sure what I'm going to price this at yet. I'm going to throw all the prices down in the description. And if you guys want any of this stuff, you guys can hit me up through my email and we will keep in touch. But yeah, so this is the cleaner. I'm probably going to give this to whoever buys this whole thing. And if you guys want, with any of these products aside from this and the fender, I can install it for you if you're local in my area, which is the Westchester, Bronx, Manhattan, Jersey, and also CT area. So if you guys want to buy any of this and if you guys want me to install it, I can do that for you. And yeah, that's that. So this is the intake that I'm selling. Then we have the front tow hook license plate holder. This is a nice mod. Instead of you guys drilling into your bumper, having that awful look, you guys could put it off to the side of the car, which makes it a much cleaner look. This is being sold, so that's part of the part out. Next up, we have this right here. This I never installed on the car. So these are brand new. These are, I think they're H&R coilover springs, or lowering springs, I should say. Now, these specifically are for a 2015 535 with the X drive. All right, so you can't have real world drive, otherwise these won't fit. Yeah, like I said, I never got a chance to install these into the car, so these are brand new. Don't quote me on the specs of how much it's lowered. I think it's like an inch and a half in the front and an inch in the back or something like that. I forgot the numbers, don't quote me on them. But these are being sold. These are brand new H&R lowering springs. All right, moving on. All right, so next up we got the Evolution Raceworks charge pipe. As you guys can see the logo right there, Evolution Raceworks. This is dirty at the moment. I am gonna polish this up before I do sell it, but this is being sold. You guys could check out my video on how you can even see a little bit of oil in there. You guys could check out my video on how I installed this. If you guys want to try it out yourself, or if you guys want me to install it for you, I can make a video up on that and we can make that happen. This is being sold, Evolution Raceworks. I do have all of the parts for this, like the screws and all of that. You can see I got 2 screws up on top already in there, and then a couple of other screws in a bag somewhere. So yeah, that's being sold, Evolution Raceworks charge pipe. I don't know how many miles I have on this, but it shouldn't be a lot. You guys could check on my video on when I installed it. I didn't make a video on when I took it out, but I took it out maybe like 3 months ago, to be honest. So it's just been chilling for 3 months, not being used. So that's that. Now this is a box of carbon fiber mirrors. This is garbage. I'll give this out for free, to be honest. This one, I'm not sure what piece this is from, but I'll probably give out this whole box for free. So whoever wants this can have it. This is for a 2014 BMW, I believe, because I tried putting this on my car, but it didn't. Well, no, it wasn't gonna work because I have the turn signals on the mirrors. So as you can see, there's no cutout for that. So I think that's for like a 2014 or something like that. But this whole box is free. Whoever wants it can have it. And yeah, just hit me up on that. Now, this right here, this is a M5 Fender, all right? So I have the other one in the basement. I just didn't want to take it up. But as you can see, it is like a matte finish. You guys would either have to get it painted or wrapped for the color of your car. I do have the piece that goes right here. It's like an M5 and it lights up and all of that stuff. I do have that. That's in the basement. I couldn't find it at the moment, but you guys get the point. But yeah, this is the fenders for the front. That way, if you guys have like a 535 or a 550, you guys can throw this on and make it look like a like an M5, you know, the M5 front fenders. Yeah, so I never used it, as you can see. I still got the tabs on. It looks like there's a crease right here, but that could probably be pulled out just a little bit. But other than that, it's pretty much brand new. I do have the other one downstairs, like I said, so don't worry on that. But this is also being for sale. All right, y'all, so with that being said, that pretty much sums up my whole part out. I didn't really put too much work into the car. Like, I could have gone to downpipes. I could have installed the lowering springs, but I didn't. Intercooler and all of that, but I did not. So these are all the parts that I'm selling. If you guys want to hit me up on that, I will throw my email down in the description down below. And you guys can let me know if you want it. I repeat, I am not gonna ship it out to anybody. If you live in Florida, it's too bad. If you live in Germany, oh well. Like I said, this is for locals only. Westchester area, Bronx, Manhattan, Queens, we can meet up. Even New Jersey, I'll head out there, or we can meet halfway. Connecticut, same thing. But yeah, these are all the parts. Let me know if you guys want to cop anything. It will be there. I'll throw all the prices up in the description. You can talk numbers and all of that stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like if you guys liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.